My name is Teacher Patient Seba. I usually teach hygiene and sanitation in Mount Zion Academy. The day was so fun and fantastic. We had visitors from IYF, National Youth Fellowship, whereby they have come here to teach children about washing hands and the hygiene of the mouth. It was a very good day, whereby they also donated some of the materials that will be helping the learners to keep their hygiene of washing hands as well as brushing the teeth. Thank you so much.
My name is Janice Dorcas. The day of the day was good because they have taught us how to wash our hands and how to brush our teeth, that the diseases can't come in our teeth. Because of the day of the day was good, I would like to thank the teachers who have come here from other countries to teach us. Thank you.